I'm Eric Meyer with Werner Electric Supply. It takes a lot of time and a lot of work to pull cables individually. It's inefficient and impractical. Werner Electric Supply can save you time and money. With our LightningPull services, we do the time-consuming work for you. Watch this speed test and see how much time you'll save. Normally, your crew would have to gather and transport spools, set up equipment, verify cable lengths, and make up pull heads, all before you even start the pull. In our test, it added up to nearly 14 minutes. Now, let's see how it goes using a LightningPull from Werner Electric. All the pre-work is done. Your crew doesn't have to worry about it. They can just get to work. Using the same length and number of conductors, the pull is performed in just under 3 minutes. That's an enormous time saving. Plus, there's far less scrap material wasted. Start saving time and money with a LightningPull today. Contact Werner Electric Supply and we'll get you set up.